Hello, welcome once again to the ChristyHub channel. Today, let's talk about how to give expression to an image or our own photo, like the trendy AI images you see online today, using a site and this particular app. So join me. Open your Chrome browser. You come to this site, Clean AI. Come to your Chrome browser, type in Clean AI. So once you log in with your email, you have access to the interface like this. So this is how your interface will look like when you come to the Clean AI after logging in with your email address. Then you upload the image you want to use here. You upload it here. So let's upload our image. So you click on this icon to upload your image. So we are using this image. Click on done. It has uploaded. Then you come here and input your prompt. Animate this image to sing to the popular gospel song Jogula by Lawrence Hoyo. Give it the exact animation for a gospel song. So that is, we want this image to give expression as it will be singing this song, Jogula. So I already have the song downloaded in my phone. So let's continue in this video. Inputting your prompt in this interface, you now click on Generate. Let it be on one output. You only get a 5-second video after the question. So let's click on Generate. So it has been submitted and it's generating. So this is it here. It's generating. So let's wait for it to finish generating. Let's play it and see. I just want only the expression, so I don't want the sound. So to download it, click on this icon to download it to your device. Let's tap on it. Click on download again. This is the full interface of the Clean AI. So we are done here. We have gotten our image. So let's take it to the app that we use to Lipsync the song we want it to sing. So I have the image in my InShot app. You can take it to CapCut or any other video editing app. But I want to remove the sound. I don't want the sound. So you just tap on it. I'm using InShot app. You reduce the sound and denoise it. So when you play it, it will only give expression without a sound. So that is how to remove the sound, a sound from a video. After which you click on export above your screen, then you export it. So once it finishes exporting, you will see it in your device. It has finished exporting. So let's go and check our gallery. So this is it. You can see there is no sound again. Then we are good to go. When you open your Dreamspace, they ask you to agree to their policy. You will say try now for free. Just click on try now for free and agree. If they ask you to pay, you can close this interface, the payment interface. I don't want to allow it. Then you tap on this icon, this avatar talk and sing icon. You tap on it. So you click on this icon to bring in your own avatar. Allow her. So you bring in the avatar that has no sound. So this is it. Then you tap on this icon, what you want the avatar to sing or say. But we are using voice, we are not using a script. You type in your text here if you are using a script. But if you have a recorded audio. You can import it. Search music or any content. Audio script, that is for audio. So for me, I want to import mine from file. So we said we are using Jugular by Lawrence Oyo. This is the Jugular here. You can adjust it to where you want the song to start from. To get the Dreamface app, just go to Play Store and download it. So we have imported the song we want the avatar to sing. So you can just test play it. So it's good from here. Then you click on confirm. So you can use this icon to always adjust it to where you want it to your script to start from or your file. So it's good from here. Then we click on confirm. So it has been confirmed. Once it is confirmed, you see this animate icon. It will be highlighted and it will show in green. So you tap on animate below your screen. So it's still animating. So once it completes 100%, we'll continue the video. You can see the lip sync. You just click on this download icon below your screen. So it has been saved to our device. So let's go and check it. This is it here. So you can see it's demonstrating as a single. So that is simply how to give expression to an image using the Clean AI site.
Thanks for watching ChristyHub, where we turn your smartphone into your success tool. If you love learning about tech, money, motivation, and creativity, this is your home. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and join the family. See you in the next one.